Hi, welcome to Win-Win From. Today I want to share 10 simple skills that will make you more powerful in life. Before we continue, if you're new to this channel, please hit subscribe button and bell button so you don't miss out our next interesting videos. Let's go dive in 10 simple skills that will make you more powerful in life. Number 1, effective communications. The ability to clearly and effectively convey your thoughts and ideas is crucial for success in personal and professional life. Number 2, time management. Managing your time effectively will help you to prioritize tasks, set goals, and reduce stress. You could use a calendar of what you plan for the day and this week and so on. Number 3, critical thinking. The ability to analyze and evaluate information objectively and make sound decisions is valuable life skill. Number 4, emotional intelligence. Understanding your own emotions and the emotion of others is key to forming strong relationships and navigating life challenges. Number 5, resilience. Being able to bounce back from setbacks and challenges is an essential skill for personal growth and success. Number 6, adaptability. The ability to adapt to change and new situations is crucial for navigating an ever-changing world. Number 7, leadership. Good leadership skills help you to inspire and guide others toward a common goal. Before you become a good leader, you have to be a good follower first. You could learn from the leaders through books or videos. Number 8, problem solving. The ability to identify and solve problems creatively is a valuable asset in personal and professional life. Number 9, positive attitudes. Maintaining a positive outlook can help you to overcome challenges and achieve your goals. Number 10, financial management. Being able to effectively manage your finance can provide peace of mind and stability in life. That's it, winners! If you know any other simple skills that will make you more powerful in life that I don't mention in this video, please share with us in the comment sections. If you enjoyed this video, please hit thumbs up and share it to your friends. And this will motivate me to make more videos. As always, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.